Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Twitch tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily test your stream using OBS Studios. So there's actually two ways to do it. The first way would be to just create another test channel and then just do all your live streams there so no one sees it and you can see what it looks like and everything. But the second way is going to be using a free tool that Twitch has created called Inspector. So this will actually give you stats on your stream and you can go live, but none of your viewers will be able to see it and it won't actually show up on your channel. So let's go and get started. The first thing we need to do is go to inspector.twitch.tv, check the description for all the links. I'll have also a detailed write-up down there so you can easily follow along. Once we get here, go ahead and log into Twitch. And you just have to grant it some access. Once you get into the inspector, go ahead and go to run a stream test. So as you can see, all we need to do is go into OBS and modify the end of our stream key. So just go ahead and copy that little black text area beginning at the question mark. Then we go into OBS Studio here. Once in OBS Studio, go to File, then Settings, and then go down to Stream. In the stream key here, I'm just going to go to Show. Don't worry, I'm going to reset my stream key, so I don't need to worry about showing it. And at the end of my stream key, I'm just going to paste that text that we copied. So as you can see, the question mark and all that bandwidth test true. Once we do that, just go ahead and select OK. Now that we have OBS configured to actually do a test stream, go to Start Streaming, and then go back to Inspector. Refresh the page, and then go up here, and as you can see, it shows that I'm live, it shows that it's stable, and also the speed. Then just go ahead and click the bitrate graph right here. This is going to bring us into an area where we can see more information about our stream. You can see a ton of information here, including the video resolution, the frame rates. I'm not really streaming anything right now because it's just a test, but I do want to show you that if I go to my Twitch channel, it shows me as offline. So even though I'm streaming live to Twitch, it's not showing up on my channel and none of my users are being alerted or being able to see what I'm streaming right now. You can also set up alerts so that you'll actually be notified if your stream becomes unstable. So you just click this and then it will notify you, hey, you had an issue with your stream, this is how you can fix it, because it even will give you recommendations. So right now it's showing excellent, but if you had a lower stream, it might say, hey, you can configure it this way, lower your resolution, different things like that to improve the quality of your stream. Real quick, the last thing you need to do when you're done testing your stream is just go back into the settings, go back into stream, and just remove that little ending that we added to your stream key. Then press OK, and now when you stream live, it'll actually go out to your viewers and show up on your channel. That's how you test your Twitch stream with Twitch Inspector and OBS Studios. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Twitch tutorials, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.